Hello to everyone. So what you see here on this portal, it's a tornado which hit Belgrade, the capital of Serbia, and during that hurricane attack, that was ice that falling from the sky, size of the tennis ball. So let me show you what caused. So this is the tornado, or as you call it, a hurricane, whatever. Let me show you this. Watch this here. And now let me show you what was the damage. On the cars, look at the cars. Now I'm going to show you the size of the ice balls that fall from, not this one, this, look at that here, like a tennis ball, look at that here. Terrible disaster, a lot of car has damage, but what is my point? Let me show you what is my point. So what did it say? Something about 16:30 or 4:30 p.m. the storm would start with strong shower rain, and later it's come the ice, which it's falling down about 15 minutes without break. A bit stronger, a bit weaker, but 15 minutes without a break. That size of the walls. Now, let me show you what was above the Belgrade at 16:30. I mean, even before. You who know, you who remember, this comet here, Lemmon C 2012 F6, which caused the horrible weather in Croatia, in Slovenia, in Austria, in Germany, in France. This is the comet which caused these storms. This comet, an orbit of this comet, is passing to the Belgrade at 1518. Now watch how it's comet moving. It's coming closer to the Belgrade, as you can see, because after 16:30 it starts to rain and tornadoes start after. Look at here's the Belgrade. Look at how it's coming closer to the Belgrade. Okay? So this is the moment of the storm. And now let me show you something else. This comet is cutting orbit of the Catalina V4, which is here, under 90 degrees, as you can see. So this is the other end of the orbit, which is in a conflict with the orbit of Catalina V4. So this is one more time, after so many times, that this comet, Lemmon, which is circling here around Europe, which caused a lot of trouble in Germany, now it hits Belgrade, the capital of Serbia. It's a matter of time when this could happen to Slovenia, to Bosnia, to Croatia, to Slovenia, because this comet, as you can see, is going around this area around the Europe. This is the circle of the Europe, this the red one. So this, what you have seen now, it may be very easily happen to you anywhere in the Europe. Okay? I mean, this is I got something more to show here in just a moment. So here is the size of the golf ball. 1830 in Belgrade. 1830. So let me see what 1830. Here we got here it is. About 1830. Okay, let me see 1830. So 1830, let's go forward to 1830 and you will see where this will come to the 1830 because here is the Belgrade. (1830) in Belgrade. Here's the Belgrade. Watch this. Watch this. I will stop at 1830. Here it is. Lemmon, Belgrade. Look at the alignment. Look at the alignment. Lemmon, Belgrade. 1830. Here it is. I told you. I told you once, I told you many times, and I don't care if you believe or you don't believe me at all. I don't mind at all. I am showing you what I know. I am showing you what I have found. And my research and my work got nothing to do with anything that you see on the internet. This is my own research, my own findings. It takes me 5 years to connect all these dots, and here it is. Nobody can deny what I have found. So let me see what is here happening. As you can see, there's a flood on the street. Strong rain. Look at the streets. So this is Belgrade today, June 20, 2016. And all this was caused by the Comet Lemmon C 2012 F6, which was in alignment with Belgrade exactly and the 1830 when this started in Belgrade. Thank you very much for your attention and stay tuned.